guys, what's going on? It's Amy. Today we're going to play Hot Wheels versus RC cars. Let's see what happens. What do you think is going to happen? This is a Desert Assault. It has not got a battery in it, otherwise it would not be fair. And yeah, it's had a few crashes, so it's quite beaten up. That's why we're doing it for this. So this one versus this one. This one is a Lamborghini Elemento Hot Wheels car, for like the one from Need for Speed. It is quite smooth, as you can see, and it has actually even has the Hot Wheels logo on the wing. So yeah, you see what happens. One is we're going to have the jump test. So we're going to jump these two cars, the Lamborghini Elemento and the Desert Assault, off there. Let's see what happens. Let's go. First is the Desert Assault. So you see what happens in 3, 2, 1. Landed it. So yeah, I think that's a pass. Here is the Lamborghini Elemento. It is quite a drop for the car. Not for me though. So let's see how it does. In 3, 2, 1. Check! Landed it! So I think that's 1 point for each. Let's go on to the next challenge. Next challenge is the crash test. What we're going to be doing is we're going to be smashing this and the Lamborghini Elemento into that. I'm looking for space, but my room is tiny. Let's go. Right, see how he's up. He didn't take any damage after the crash test, after the jump test. But yeah, let's go. 3, 2, 1. Blast off. I didn't affect it very much. I would put some clever editing in it. Lamborghini Elemento. So we're gonna crash it into this wall and you see how it goes. 3, 2, 1, go! I think that's a fail. Well, it's on to the next challenge, and hopefully the car isn't broken. That one didn't take any damage at all. Challenge is the hide and seek challenge. What's going to happen is we're going to play hide and seek. That one's going to go hide. The Lamborghini Elemento is going to go hide, and then he's going to go find it, and it's going to then vice versa. So let's see how this goes. Now my sister is hiding it. We're going to count to 10. So 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Ready or not, here we come. Where could she be? I thought it was appropriate to put the camera on the car, so then you can have a sort of view of whatever you like. So right now, we need to go find the car. I'm pretty sure my sister would have hid it under there. Where is it? I can't see it. So right now, what I need to look around and try and find like a sort of view of where it would be. Now I know Poppy, and I think she would put it somewhere very suspicious. So, I thought she might be in the bookshelf. So, we need to look around and try and find it. No, it's not in there. Poppy's just might be a good hide and seek. So, let's go have a look at the next one. Wait, what's that? I think we found it. Yep, found it. Right, now it's time for this one to try and find the big one. Let's go.
Now I need to count for 10 seconds to find my brother's car for 10 seconds, okay? Starting 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and a 0. Now it's time to go find it. So now we're in the bedroom. Let's check under the bed. No, I don't think it's under here. Can't see it. Now let's check maybe under this table. No, it's not under the table. No, it's not under there. Wonder what it could be. Let's check near the bookshelf. Seems like we have found the big car.
Oh, you found it! I thought that was a great idea. Right, anyway, that was the last challenge. Points. And now we think that one won because it got 3 points. And that one won all of them. And we drawed in this one. And that one lost in one, won in one. And then drawed with me just now. So yeah, if you want to see more videos, subscribe, like, and comment what cars you want us to do next. And maybe we could do that one, which would be cool. So yeah, subscribe, like, and share, and comment. Okay, see you in the next one.
Bye.